What's going on, everybody? I have this really cool tool, and let me show you what it does.
How about that? Does that sound a little bit different? A little bit more clear. I'm going to put it on my guitar. Let's go.